think it's absolutely wonderful. Last time I was here, it was dark and it was winter. Wondered how it could possibly end up like it has today, like seeing it then and seeing it now. What catches my eye is the wooden structures, the two partitions between the first and second class and the last class. It's just unbelievable. I'm proud to have gone to Hilden School from 1952 to 1961, that the structure has been regenerated and preserved for the future generations to enjoy and socialise in. Well done to everybody concerned for bringing it to where it is.
First of all, as I came in through the door, it's the colour scheme. I think it's calming. It's just in setting with what the school was. But it's gone through the different classrooms that my memories come flooding back. I can probably tell you stories out of each classroom, you know. From seeing it from it lay to me it wasn't loved. And for to see it now and how special it is, I am absolutely thrilled to bits. And I would like to thank everybody that had an input in this. I can't believe what has become of what was our school. I'm delighted.
What has been done here is tremendous. I could never have thought that the construction of this building would be so good, restored to a quality that is in keeping with its listed status. Many times I have walked past the school quite saddened at the state of it. So today, seeing the restoration of a wonderful space is so uplifting for me and for many other people. It has provided great memories for many generations. I just hope that the generations of the future will get the same happiness and that this place has provided for so many people.
I think I have managed to forget the fact that it was a shell. And it has changed. It is the school that I left has suddenly overnight, like a spell, become something new. And I'm forgetting all the terrible things that happened to the building in between. I think that is the most important thing for me. It's like a phoenix rising from the ashes. The whole spirit of what the school was doing in the past is back. The community's back.